Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you reset the setting for back on the logo of your iPhone. So you all guys have noticed that iPhone has a logo on its back. I will just show you that how can you make that logo working on your iPhone live. You just have to click 3 times on your iPhone logo and the screenshot will be taken. And these types of many smart things involves in iPhone, but the public don't know about that. What we have to do, click on the setting option here of your iPhone. You will see that is my home page, and I will just scroll to the down. On the fifth, there is an option called accessibility. Click on accessibility here. In accessibility, there is an option called touch. You just have to click on this touch here, scroll to the down, and you will see there is an option called back. Tap on the last, click on that, and here you can see the setting is whenever I will click double tap, the camera will be open. Whenever I will click the triple tap, the screenshot will be taken on my iPhone. These all are setting. You can just change the setting from here. You can click for shake, you can click for spotlight, torch, volume up, down, anything. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.